just when you thought we were done. My name's Andy, and in this video, we're riding folding bikes across Belgium. Welcome to Antwerp. It's time to get some supplies. I'm hungry. New city, new country, new little. You're excited about the supermarket?
Yeah, dog.
It's different again.
What it's like. So this is what we got for our breakfast and lunch and things. We've got a pack of eggs, a cherry pie, burger buns is about 60 cents, our favourite cheese, tomatoes, gin and tonic for €1 each, iceberg lettuce, chicken ham type thing, banana and a smoothie, €12. Got some goodies to eat here.
When locking your bike in a foreign country, always do as the locals do. You can see here this local bike, they have 3 locks. There's one lock here on the wheel to immobilize the bike. There's this lock to lock it to the post, and then they've got the triple protection, the 3rd lock locking the frame to the post. So we just followed suit here. We've got the kryptonite locking the frames together, and then both frames are locked together and locked to the post. So, good?
I think it's pretty solid.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Welcome to downtown Antwerp. We arrived here by ferry, which is a great way to see the city. The ferry is free, by the way. It drops you right off here where the castle is. Check it out. I just stopped to take a look at these Antwerp city bikes. They're really cool. So the front wheel is 20-inch wheel, and then they've got these cool handlebars that also have a luggage rack on the front. The rear wheel is looking like a 26-inch wheel. The only difference between this and my bike is that this one doesn't fold. Quite similar, wouldn't you say? Wow, this is nice. From freezing rain just days ago in the Netherlands, we're now on our way out of Antwerp, on our way to Brussels. It's 4:30, and we'll probably make it halfway today and then find a nice wild camping spot if we can. What a lovely city.
Loved Antwerp, it was great.
So we're going to head across this highway and try and get into the forest so we can check out this abandoned castle.
Do some exploring.
Holy, this place looks really dangerous. It's super cool, but it's probably full of asbestos and all kinds of other dangerous stuff, like the floors caving in here. Wow. This was probably a really nice, super nice mansion back in the day. Now it's just destroyed. Holy. This whole place is extremely sketchy. They say it's haunted and that it could fall down at any time. Not all that much to see in there. Well, that was fun. A nice stop along the way. Checking out some history. I'll put the name of this place down in the description so you can find it for yourself. Whew.
That was so cool. You wouldn't know from the road what was in there. Definitely worth it. Coming up on a forest decay away, and we're going to camp there for the night. Looks like it could be a good spot.
We're going to camp here tonight. It looks good. There's quite a few deer in this forest though, so we have to be aware that there could be ticks. It looks like a good spot.